And we're getting in news from JNK. This is about terrorists hurling a grenade in Bandipora in Kashmir, wherein a CRPF camp was targeted. 5 civilians, unfortunately, have sustained injuries in this particular attack. So, terrorists hurling grenade upon CRPF deployment at Sumbal Sumo stand in North Kashmir's Bandipora district. And Zeenat, my colleague, is joining us as she's tracking that for us. Zeenat, to you, tell us more. 5 civilians, we are being told, have also sustained injuries.
See, Christian, this was a grenade that was hurled by the terrorists towards the CRPF deployment. In fact, the convoy was also moving and also the JKP vehicles were also stationed nearby. Although this missed the target and exploded on the roadside, you have this sumo stand also of the Sumbal Bandipora, and with the result of a grenade exploded on the roadside, 5 civilians have received injuries and the vehicles have also suffered damage. Although 2 civilians have been shifted to Srinagar for the advanced treatment, and also the 3 are being treated at a PHC. Sumbal area has been cordoned off by Jammu Kashmir police along with army and CRPF. We are seeing a grenade attack in the Sumbal Bandipora. If you remember, Sumbal has also witnessed a target killing when in Shahgud area a civilian was killed, who later on the terrorist too was neutralized by the Sumbal SOG. So overall we seeing that the 5 civilians have been injured in the grenade attack, but terrorists were trying to target the CRPF along with the army and also the JKP, but which missed the target and exploded on the roadside, resulting into the injuries of 5 civilians.
And Zeenat, this is a pattern that is closely being followed by these terror elements, isn't it? Just by recently, we saw another such incident take place when, terrorists fired upon a CRPF party there. So, what's happening is innocent civilians are coming under fire as far as these incidents are concerned, because our forces are really not left with an option back, in a situation such as this.
See, Christian, they were trying to target the security forces on ground, but the grenade missed the target and exploded on the roadside, because this is a busy area, the marketplaces around, and this grenade exploded near the sumo stand. With the result, the 5 civilians have received the injuries and they are being treated at present. We are also seeing the forces from the Jammu Kashmir Police, Army and CRPF completely cordon. They try to cordon the entire area, and also the searches are also taking place at the multiple places. We see that grenade is such a thing that you can hide in a pocket or in a bag, and it's not possible for the security forces always to frisk everybody. And so despite that, the security forces are maintaining that the deployment has been increased and also the Naka points and other things, but despite that we are seeing a grenade being hurled by the terrorists towards the security forces.